What's up guys, welcome to my new video, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to install and log in into Spotify in every single country. If you're wondering why I'm doing this, Spotify isn't accessible in some countries, so I'm gonna show you how to access Spotify in every single country. First thing you should do, come on this link and download Spotify for Windows. After that, go to Files, Downloads, and open Spotify Setup. And wait for the Spotify to download. Go back to Google and go to this link. The link will be down in the description. Click Add to Chrome and add extension. After the Tunnelbear is added, go make a new tab and left click on it. Click Turn it on and go to Spotify Spotify.com. Once you're on the Spotify.com, go to sign up and sign up with your email and password. Okay, once you sign up and enter your all info, close out of Google, go to Spotify, click login, and select your and type your username and password, and just click login. Okay guys, that is all for this video today, and hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.